grade 4. This is Miss Asma, your math teacher. Today we are going to solve our revision sheet. I cut the revision sheet into parts, so each part I will explain first and then we will solve the sheet. Let's start. Our first part here, we are going to talk about polygons. We said before that polygons is any closed shape, no circle, no curved, and not open. Okay, so closed shape, not a circle, not open, and it's not curved shape, and of course not cross line. It doesn't have cross line like this. We don't have cross line inside the shape. Okay, so if this is not a polygon, it has cross line, so it's not a polygon. Okay, how we call or name the polygon? How we name it? We name it by the count how many sides it has. So let's count here. Name, then write the name of each polygon. Let's write the name. Here we will count how many sides we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sides. So it's hexagon. Okay. Question 2, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. We said 4 sides. It's quadrilateral. Question 3, let's count how many sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 is hepta, so heptagon. Here we have 1, 2, 3. 3 is for triangle. Question 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 here is for octa, so octagon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 is for penta, so pentagon. Here this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 we have for decagon. And last one here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is for nonagon. Okay, so you need to count how many sides in each figure. Okay, after counting the sides, you can name the polygon. Here's the second page. You can solve it by yourself. Okay, you will count how many sides, and after that you will name it as we did. Here we will name the shape, but it's not regular shapes. It's shape in any direction. So here we will do the same. We will count and check the name of the figure. Okay, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, 7 is for hepta, so heptagon. You will count how many sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 is for nonagon. Okay, so you will do the same in the other shapes. Here we need to know if it's a polygon or not polygon. We said that polygon is closed shape. A polygon is any closed shape, has no curve, and not open and not a circle. So first one here, it's open, so it's not a polygon. Second one also open, so it's not a polygon. Third one open, so not a polygon. Question 4 closed, so it's a polygon. Question 5 also closed. 6 closed, 7 closed, so all of these are polygon. Okay, but if it's open, it's not a polygon. Understand? Here we need to write if it's regular or irregular. What is the difference between regular and irregular? Regular, all the sides are equals. all the angles are equals. All the sides are equals. All the angles are equals. Let's check the first one here. It's a square. All the sides here are equals and all the angles are equals 90, so it's regular shape. The second one here, all the sides are equals, so it's regular. Here, not all the sides are equal, so this one is irregular. Question 4, this pentagon, it's regular because all the sides are equal. Question 5, it's irregular because all the sides not equal. Question 5 here, all the sides are equals, but the angle not equals. Can you check this angle and this angle? This is bigger and this is small. See, this is bigger angle, but this is small angle. So the angles are not equal, so it's irregular because of the angle not equal. Okay, the sides are equals, but the angle not equal. Same question 6. Question 7 here, it's regular because all the angle, all the sides are equals. Question 8, irregular because the sides, we have this side, it's bigger than this side. Okay, so it's irregular. So here in our question, we will write the name of each triangle. Acute, we will write A. Obtuse, we will write O. Right, we will write R. Equilateral, we will write E. Isosceles, we will write R. Scalene, we will write S. Okay, let's check the first triangle here. We have 159 and 159. So we have here two sides are equal. If it's two sides are equal, we call it isosceles triangle. Okay, let's check the angles. Here all the angles are smaller than 90, so we call it acute triangle. Okay, so it's acute and isosceles, A and I. Question 2. We have 91, 97, 168. So no equals triangle, no equals sides, so it is scalene triangle. If it's no equal side, so it's scalene triangle. And we have here one angle bigger than 90, so it's obtuse triangle. Obtuse and scalene. OS3, we have 98 and 98, so we have two sides are equals, so we call it isosceles triangle. And we have here one angle, we have here one angle bigger than 90, so it's obtuse triangle. OI, sorry, obtuse and isosceles. Question 4. Question 4 here, we have 150, 150, 150. So all the sides are equals. We call it equilaterals. And all the angles are smaller than 90, so it's acute triangle. Acute and equilateral triangle. Okay. First shape here, it's four sides, so we call it quadrilateral. So we will give it Q. And then we have only two parallel sides. We have only two parallel sides. You can see this arrow. This arrow means it's parallel to this one. Okay. So we have one pair or one opposite sides are parallel, so it's a trapezoid. So it's take T. Okay. Second one here we have H2. First it's a four sides, so we call it quadrilateral. We have H opposite sides are parallel and equals, but we don't have right angle, so we call it parallelogram. Here it's a four sides, so it's a quadrilateral. So all the shapes are four sides, we call it quadrilateral. I want to tell you something also. One shape can be more than one name. Okay, so here we have H opposite sides are parallel and equals, and we don't have right angle, so it's also parallelogram. Question 4. Question 4 here, H opposite sides are equals and parallel, so we call it parallelogram. It's a four side shape, so we call it quadrilateral. Quadrilateral. We have right angle, so we call it rectangle. all the sides are equal, so we call it square. Also here, it can be rhombus also. Okay, it can be rhombus because it's all the sides are parallel and equal, so it can be rhombus. Okay, so if you look at this shape, question 4, it has all the names except for trapezoid. Question 5 here, it's a kite. The difference between rhombus and kite, rhombus has all the sides equals, but in kite we have only 2 pairs of sides are equals. Okay, so question 5 and 6 are kites. Question 7, it's a 4-side shape, so it's a quadrilateral. We have each opposite sides are equals and parallel, so it's a parallelogram. And we have each and all the sides are equals, so we call it rhombus. But if I have here right angle, so we can call it rectangle or square. Okay, let's go next. Question 8, I don't have any equal sides, I don't have any equals angles or any parallel, so we just call it quadrilateral only, quadrilateral shape. Question 9, also we don't have any equal sides or angle or any parallel sides, so we call it quadrilateral. Question 10, it's a 4-side shape, so we call it quadrilateral. And each opposite sides are equals and parallel, so we call it rhombus. Also, each opposite sides are parallel, so we call it parallelogram. We don't have right angles, so we cannot call it rectangle or square. Question 11. Each opposite sides are parallel and equals, so we call it parallelogram. And of course, it's 4-side shape, so we call it quadrilateral. Then here we have right angle, so it's a rectangle directly. Okay, if all the sides are equal, so we will call it a square. Question 12, we don't have any equals or parallel sides or angles, so we call it just quadrilateral. I hope you can understand our lesson today and you can complete solving from your revision sheets, and see you in next video. Thank you.